This family health and wellness segment is brought to you by GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare.
Suffering from heartburn or indigestion? No more. ENO gets to work in 6 seconds, relieving heartburn and indigestion fast.
Most of us are familiar with the uncomfortable symptoms of heartburn and indigestion, sometimes following a streak of overindulgence. Paul popped in to see our resident pharmacist, Rakesh Seeberath. Help is at hand.
Whether you've overindulged in a spicy dish or a feast of fatty foods, or you've simply taken something that doesn't agree with you, it's always handy to know what steps can be taken for fast relief. Rakesh, what kind of remedies are available to help relieve or prevent indigestion and heartburn?
Well, one can buy a range of indigestion medicines from your pharmacy. These include antacids, proton pump inhibitors, H2 blockers, and prokinetics. Come around and I'll show you what's available.
Rakesh, what are antacids?
Antacids are medicines that help to relieve the symptoms of indigestion. These products include magnesium trisilicate, aluminium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, and some may also include simethicone and alginates.
How do they work?
Your tummy produces quite a bit of acid, which is quite corrosive. We need this acid to digest food and kill off bacteria. The antacids help to neutralize or weaken the acid in the tummy.
What do they mean when they say neutralizing stomach acids?
The chemicals that are in antacids are alkaline. Your tummy produces quite a corrosive acid, and when these two products come together, the process is called neutralization. That's when you weaken the acid. Antacids are good for anything from heartburn to reflux.
Do all antacids work the same way? Are there other formulations used for heartburn and indigestion?
Look, in terms of the formulations, antacids come in various different forms. You'll either find them in a liquid, a tablet that can either be chewed or swallowed, and then you also get an effervescent powder. Most antacids will neutralize the acid. Then you do get some products that will form a gel at the top of the stomach contents and prevents any reflux from coming up into the esophagus. And then some other ingredients also help to reduce bloatedness and flatulence.
Where can I find antacids?
One can find a complete range of antacids at your pharmacy, and then also the supermarkets do stock a smaller range.
How often can I take antacids?
Well, as often as the label says, but always ask your pharmacist for the recommended dose on the product that you purchase. Look, any antacid can be taken up to 4 times a day, especially at either the beginning or during your meal, and especially before you go to bed.
Thank you, Rakesh, for sharing your insights with us. I'm sure a lot of our viewers will have benefited from your knowledge and wisdom.
You're welcome.
If you have any concerns or queries about this topic, we suggest that you consult your medical practitioner.
Feeling in need of a little indulgence? ENO gets to work in 6 seconds, relieving heartburn and indigestion fast.